Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you a really quick video of how I steam mop this vinyl cover that I have over my carpet, because this is the easiest way to keep it clean. If you've never used a steam mop before, this is such a genius way to mop. It just uses steam. I don't have to use any chemicals or anything like that. And I'm going to show you how quickly this works. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, as always, include links in the description below of where you can purchase these items that I highly recommend. But let's start mopping here. See that spot right there? I'm just going to go like this. And then look, it disappears. And it's gone. Look at that, how awesome. I'm just gonna keep going with the rest of the area here. And this is gonna be nice and sanitized as well as mopped.